How to check contacts on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right, and once you're here, click on the three lines at the top right corner, and after that click on settings and privacy. You will get to this page right here. Using the search bar, search for contacts, and from there click on upload contacts. You will be redirected to this page right here, which is the contact connecting and syncing page, where you will need to turn on this connect contacts option by clicking on that toggle next to it. Once you do that, go back to your profile page right here, and from there click on this discover people icon, this one right here. Once you do that, you will get this page of or a kind of window that has some people that you can add. From there click on see all, which is the blue text at the top right. Once you do that, you will get to this page right here, where you will be able to find all of the suggested people, including your contacts. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can find contacts and add them on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.